Hello, today is Wednesday the 17th of February 2010 and I'm Nikki giving you the daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar fell sharply across the board as stocks and commodities soared. The dollar failed to rise better than the expected data on the NY Empire State Manufacturing Index that came out at 24.9 versus the expected 17, and the TIC net long-term transactions came out 63.3 billion versus the expected 50 billion. Markets in the US rose sharply. Crude oil rallied, rising more than 4%, closing above $77 a barrel. Gold jumped, extending its recovery, closing at $1,118 an ounce. The euro rallied against majors. The pair is recovering after falling sharply during the last few weeks. The euro is still under pressure because Greece said it hasn't requested a bailout from the European Union, renewing demand for the European currency. Overall, Euro-USD traded with a low of 1.3588 and a high of 1.3779. The GBP has made big gains against the dollar and has consolidated above 1.572. The CPI came out 3.5% worse than the expected 3.6%, and the core CPI came out 3.1%, also worse than the expected 3.2%. If the GBP sustains above the 1.572 level, it might extend its uptrend to the 1.592 area. Overall, GBP USD traded with a low of 1.5626 and with a high of 1.5793. The yen fell sharply against most of the currencies, but despite increased demand for risk assets, the USD JPY is under pressure. The Tertiary Industry Activity Index came out minus 0.9% worse than the expected minus 0.2%. In order for the pair to extend its increase, it has to trade above the 90.5 level, otherwise a rebound to 89.8 may be possible. Overall, USD JPY traded with a low of 89.69 and with a high of 90.50. Greenback extended its decline against the CAD. Canada's dollar increased to the highest level in February as crude oil advanced. The manufacturing sales came out 1.6% worse than the expected 2%. Holding below 1.048 levels might extend gains in the Canadian dollar to 1.032 zones. Overall, USD CAD traded with a low of 1.0408 and with a high of 1.0497. Well, that's all for today, and be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe and secure trading.